Now we will see how to change the background color in CATIA. Go to the menu bar and in that you will see Tool. Click on it. After clicking, search for option. Click it. A dialog will pop up on the screen. On the leftmost side of the dialog you will see different setting. If you are unable to see it clearly, zoom in by pressing Ctrl and scroll button together. Now go to Display. Now see the right side of the dialog. Search for the Visualization tab. Click on forward arrow button to find the visualization. Once you find it, click on it and you can see various options such as Background, Selected Elements, Selected Edges, Pre-selected Elements, and so on. We are interested in changing the background color only. So we will click on down arrow and select the color you see fit for yourself, and hit OK button to apply changes. I will be using the default setting for the entire tutorial series.